Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Microbiome video. In this video talk about some basic information of bacteria. Learning points, define bacteria and examples, classification of bacteria and bacterial diseases. At first we have to know what are bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, unicellular, prokaryotic organisms. They do not have membrane-bound cell organelles and lack a true nucleus, hence are grouped under the domain Prokaryota together with archaea. In a three-domain system, bacteria is the largest domain. Living beings are classified into archaea, bacteria, and eukaryota domain in the three-domain system. Bacteria, a singular bacterium, is derived from the ancient Greek word bakterion, meaning cane, as the first bacteria observed were bacilli. The study of a bacteria is called bacteriology, a branch of microbiology. Examples of bacteria like E. coli, Bacillus. Classification of bacteria. There are different schemes for the classification of bacteria. Some of the most common schemes of classifications are a classification of bacteria based on gram-staining bacteria are grouped into two groups as 1. Gram-positive bacteria having a thick peptidoglycan layer and retaining the purple color of crystal violet during gram-staining are gram-positive bacteria. E.g. a Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Enterococcus, Corynebacterium, Streptomyces, Bacillus, Haemophilus, Clostridium, Listeria, etc. 2. Gram-negative bacteria having a thin peptidoglycan layer and losing crystal violet but retaining pink/red color of counterstained safranine during gram-staining are gram-negative bacteria. E.g. Escherichia, Salmonella, Shigella, Neisseria, Klebsiella, Proteus, Pseudomonas, Enterobacter, Citrobacter, etc. B. A classification of bacteria based on oxygen requirements. Bacteria are classified into three types as 1. Aerobic bacteria. They respire aerobically and can't survive in anoxic environments. E.g. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Nocardia spp, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, etc. 2. Facultative aerobes. They survive in very low oxygen levels and can survive in both oxygenic and anoxic environments. They are microaerophiles. E.g. E. coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Lactobacillus spp, Staphylococcus spp, etc. 3. Anaerobic bacteria. They respire anaerobically and can't survive in an oxygen-rich environment. E.g. Clostridium perfringens, Campylobacter, Listeria, Bifidobacterium, Bacteroides, etc. C. Classification of bacteria based on optimum temperature. Bacteria are classified broadly into three types as 1. Psychrophiles. They have optimum growth temperature at 150 C or below. E.g. Chrysiobacterium, Psychrobaciter, Polarimonas, Sphingomonas, Alteromonas, Hyphomonas, Listeria monocytogenes, etc. 2. Mesophiles. They have optimum growth temperature at 15–50 C. Pathogenic bacteria fall in this category. E.g. E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella typhi, Streptococcus pyogenes, Klebsiella spp, Pseudomonas spp, etc. 3. Thermophiles. They have optimum growth temperature at above 450 C. E.g. Bacillus thermophilus, Methanothrix, Archiglobus, Thermophilus aquaticus, Geogemma borosiae, at 1220 C, Pyrolobus fumariae, at 1130 C, Pyrococcus spp, etc. D. Classification of bacteria based on arrangement of flagella. Bacteria are classified into 5 types as 1. Atrachous, they are bacteria without flagella. E.g., Lactobacillus spp, Bacillus anthracis, Staphylococcus spp, Streptococcus spp, etc. 2. Monotrachous, they are bacteria with only one flagellum at one pole. E.g., Campylobacter spp, Vibrio cholerae, etc. 3. Lophotrachous, they are bacteria with multiple flagella at one end. E.g., Spirillum, Helicobacter pylori, Pseudomonas fluorescens, etc. 4. Peritrachous, they are bacteria with multiple flagella projecting in all directions. E.g., E. coli, Klebsiella, Proteus, Salmonella typhi, etc. 5. Amphitrachous, they are bacteria with one flagellum at each pole. E.g., Alcaligenes faecalis, Nitrosomonas, etc. Bacterial diseases. The bacteria that can cause infection, disease, are called pathogenic bacteria, and such diseases are called bacterial diseases. Most of the bacteria known to us are non-pathogenic. Only less than 5% are pathogenic. To be pathogenic bacteria, the bacteria must fulfill Koch's postulates. Some common bacterial diseases with their causative species are listed in the table below. Disease-causative bacteria: pneumonia, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Streptococcus pneumoniae, etc. Gastroenteritis: E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, Staphylococcus aureus. Urinary tract infection, UTI, E. coli, Klebsiella, Proteus, Staphylococcus, etc. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae. Typhoid, Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi. Tetanus, Clostridium tetani. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.